guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial, which is the autumn makeup look today. And yeah, it's autumn already, so I just wanted to share to you guys my autumn makeup look. And without further ado, let's get started. So first, I'm gonna start with my Mario Badescu Skincare Hydro Moisturizer with Vitamin C. Looks like this, and I really love this, guys. It's so moisturizing and it's really good to apply before makeup. So I'm just gonna spread this all over my face. So next, I'm gonna apply the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Moyen. I'm just gonna apply that under my eyes and blend it using the Beauty Blender. And next, I'm gonna apply the Gigi Hadid Illuminator Liquid. This is in the shade Iridescent. I'm just gonna apply this to the areas that I want extra glow. And next, I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 30. I'm just gonna apply that to cover my blemishes and redness on my face. Next is a foundation, which is from Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. SPF 34 PA++, and this is in the shade Sand. And just blend the foundation using the Beauty Blender. Next is the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Concealer. This is in the shade Light Beige Clear. I really like this as well to cover and highlights my under eyes, bridge of my nose, T-zone. So yeah. And next, to set my foundation and concealer, I'm gonna use the banana powder from Australis and using the sponge, and after that I'm gonna use the brush to blend it all over my face. And next, I'm going to apply my brow gel from Benefit, and using the brush, I have to wet the brush a little bit as the gel is a little bit hard now. And yeah, I'm just gonna outline my eyebrows and fill it in. And by the way, guys, after filling in my eyebrows, I actually use the spoolie to brush my eyebrows so the hair is gonna be in place. So next, guys, I'm gonna be using the Kylie Burgundy palette. I really love this palette, guys. It's so pigmented and the colors are my favorite. So I'm using this brownish color to apply on my crease, all over my eyelid actually, and then I'm just gonna keep blending the color until the outer color is a little bit darker. And I'm gonna use this gold shimmer shade just to apply on my lower eyelid like so, and just keep putting until it's more precise and really gold color. And next, I'm gonna use the light shimmer shade just to put it on the outer part of my eyelid like so. Next, I'm gonna use this black eyeshadow color from Morphe palette. I'm gonna use this as the guide for my eyeliner because I'm suck at putting eyeliner, guys. I'm not really good at it, but yeah, I'm still learning. And next, I'm using this Gigi Hadid eyeliner, and after that I'm gonna use this Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer just to clean up the edges. And for the lower lash line, guys, I'm just using this dark pink color on the outer part, and then on the inner corner I'm using the gold shimmer that we used before. And next, I'm gonna use this NYX bronzer. I'm just gonna contour my cheeks and put it on my jawline and my forehead. Also, I'm gonna contour my nose. So next, I'm gonna apply my NYX Ombre Blush. I really love this as well, guys. This blush has a shimmer, so it will make you glow. And yeah. And my favorite part is applying highlighter. So I'm using this MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. I'm applying it on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my cheeks. And the next part is my lipstick. So I'm using this Revlon lipstick, guys, matte lipstick. This is in the shade Seduction. I like the color as well, guys. I love this shade. So yeah, it's really matte as well and soft in your lips. And voila! So yeah, this is the end of the video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you guys like the look that I came up with. So yeah, this is the autumn makeup look and kind of warm color. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys have any suggestions of what video should I do next, please guys comment down below. And yeah, I hope I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!